2 years ago, on the day of the Christmas bombings, AT&T phone lines went down, impacting any calls to Nashville's 911 center.
It did stop person-to-person communication, but it did not cut off the computer aid dispatch, or CAD system where calls are recorded.
WSMV's Marissa Sulik shows us how the city is taking proactive steps to make sure that never happens again.
If the chain-linked fence, number of hard hats, or levels of scaffolding don't give it away, 2nd Avenue is still a work in progress. Progress on the ground and inside the Metro Nashville Emergency Communications Center.
This is our Motorola Premier One CAD system.
That's the system where dispatchers record each call's location and reason. He was one of the few employees at the center the morning of the Christmas Day bombing when phone lines went down.
With our call volume, it's too hard to manage that many incidents and units.
We were not able to take non-emergency phone calls, administrative calls, for about 72 hours.
The center's director, Stephen Martini, knew changes must be made not only to the phone lines, but to the CAD system, too.
If there's anything that the Christmas explosion let us know, is that we're vulnerable if we have all of our eggs in one basket.
That's where Mark43 co-founder Matt Poliga comes in.
He said, I want to make sure that we're never in that situation again where we are going to be facing any type of difficulty dispatching emergency services to the residents of Nashville.
Right now, when the CAD goes down at the center, the backup is this sheet of paper. Dispatchers must record each call by hand, at times logging 100 calls an hour. Now, if it goes down, the Mark43 system will kick in.
Realistically, these dispatchers could do this from home.
All they need is a computer, internet connection, and they won't miss a call.
It's really chaotic here because phones are ringing and people are changing their workflow and they're not able to use their computer. And so they're having to look things up manually and write things on paper and then take that piece of paper and then run it to another position.
As Reynolds works to set up the backup option, he believes it will cover all bases if this were to happen.